whoever's listening to this, I know you're always talking about like financial literacy or just different things
Yeah.
with real estate and all that great stuff. Invest in health insurance.
Mm.
It's so key to have health insurance and not
Yeah.
just like death or final bills experience
Yeah.
insurance, but short and long term disability insurance.
Mm.
Get it while you're young, right? Like for
Yeah.
a lot of times when you're young, you're like, wait a minute, they're gonna take what out of my check? Get it,
Right.
take it out,
It's worth it.
because what we don't realize is what is a short and long term disability. Some
Yeah.
places consider pregnancy as a short term disability.
Mm.
So,
Yeah.
you know, and you can be a perfect bill of health, you can have all these great things, but you go out here and have a car accident and someone, does something that puts you at risk. Now, how do you take care of your family?
Yeah.
So
Right.
again, it goes back to staying ready so you don't have to get ready. So I would
Mm.
highly recommend investing in those things, because if you're like myself, where something does happen for X amount of time, you're now considered uninsured. Like, you can't get additional insurance.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Wow. And you hit it right on the head. I think that because we're young, a lot of times people say they just put that off or they don't even think about it, at all. And
right.
like you said, yeah, it's most definitely worth that investment.
It's
You just
more
got to be
time
ready.
to get it.
Yeah. Wow.
But I am happy to say that, I have no signs of any cancer anymore. So I'm good on that.
Man,
Yeah. So
congratulations on that.